Chip over the top, doesn't quite come off for Oman. They win it back in midfield. Fawaz now, through ball, and Oman hit the bar. First real effort in the 9th minute, and it's come from Oman. Unlucky not to score.
Yeah, great pass in midfield. Through one-on-one with a goalkeeper, does pretty much everything right. I think the goalkeeper gets a slight touch and it just flicks off him and hits the crossbar. But this is what Oman are all about, starting to get into the game.
Somali skipper Abdullahi missing out in midfield there. Here come Oman again. Shot from long range, it's panned out by the goalkeeper, that's the goal scorer! Musin with the rebound for Oman, it's 1-0.
This is why he's the top goal scorer. Wonderful strike, I mean, why not? We spoke about the pitch gets watered before, it's zippy, wonderful strike. When the battle in midfield, they get caught out Somali. There's the strike. Keeper just lets it spill. But it's about the reaction. It's about the anticipation straight away. Look at him waiting. What gives him the right to chase after the ball then? He's thinking, hang on a minute, the keeper's made a mistake here. I'm pouncing on it, and he gets his reward. Wonderful goal. 1-0 to Oman. Musin with the goal.
We talked about the conditions, Nick. Abdulaziz with a shot there, just skips off the turf there, right in front of the goalkeeper. Musin doing what every good striker should do, following the rebound, puts his side 1-0 up.
And I suppose as well, with the pitch like it is now, with the water, it gets watered just before the game and at half-time. If you're going to put a strike in, you don't lift it up, you zip it across the floor. Can you make it bounce up in front of the goalkeeper? He gets it absolutely perfectly, but then straight away, it's what Musin did straight away, anticipate.
Good play by Sadiq Faisal. The first shots of the match coming up for Somalia. Move the ball quickly in that congested area. Pushed away from goal by Oman.
Abdullahi does really well. You've got to try and get the strike in, but they're going down the other end now, Oman.
Ball was slightly behind Zahir. So go back to Al-Basaidi. Early ball into the box, cleared by Somalia. once again, it's just this final pass for Oman. It's just not working at the moment. Getting into good areas, but they just can't kill this game off. They can't get that second goal. And it's just giving more hope to Somalia. They're making their way forward now. It's a fabulous ball by the skipper. Out wide now with Somalia.
Once the ball goes out to that left-hand side, then you get hold of the ball, you get your one-on-one, and you be positive. Try and get on the outside of him. He doesn't really have that belief he's going to get on the outside of him. They worked it well, but I'm looking at it at the moment, and I'm seeing Somalia maybe a little bit tired. You know, it's difficult. They've got a long way to go, and you're just feeling now that Oman, they're making the mistakes. That final pass is not right for them. If they can just polish up on that, it could be a game where they really could enjoy it and get the second goal. But they've got to dig deep, Somalia.
Wonderful touch by Musin. Here is the goal scorer, breaking into the box, goes down, referee having none of that. Musin trying to reclaim the ball for Oman.
Play then by Abdi Karim, just nicking the ball in midfield. Very difficult when you've got to chase. It's what they're doing at the moment. When you're defending, it's hard work to defend for Somalia, but then when you win the ball, when you're a bit tired, then you've got to try and push forward. It's vitally important when you do get the ball, you enjoy the ball, feel the ball a little bit, get your composure back. Straight away then, you're looking at number 16 for Somalia, Mohammed. He's a big boy. Can they get decent balls into the box? He looks like he's got height in there. So when you work it around the wide areas, put some quality and give him a little bit of something.
There he is, Mohammed lays one off to midfield. Somalia building up nicely now. A lot more composed on the ball in this move. In there by Abdulaziz for Oman. Spins the ball out wide. Making his way into the box now, Abdulaziz. He's waiting for that cross to come in. Has to check his run as Oman has stopped on that far side.
It's going to hurt a bit. You've won the ball, but now can you push on now? Somalia down this right-hand side. Abdi Karim on the ball now. Just seems to be a little bit tired. Where they need him, that's where you've got to try and lift your head up and deliver a ball into the box. But once again, Oman come down the other end. The game is really stretched.
Wonderful play by Abdulaziz. Here is Zahir. Links up with Abdulaziz again.
So straight away then, when they do get the ball to Zahir, then you don't need anybody running past him. Get your one-on-one, do your bit of a trickery, cut inside and get a shot in, get on the outside and put a cross in.
Zahir to the edge of the box. There comes the shot from Fawaz. As soon as he left his foot, he was always rising.
Yeah, they work it well. He's got to do better. I don't think you try and pick anything out. You just hit the target, keep it down, make the keeper work, gets underneath it.
Lovely touch there by Abdulaziz. Here he is again. Touches it forward to Musin. Gets in front of the goalkeeper. Penalty to Oman. Referee right on the spot. Referee Benoit had no doubts about that one. He had a bird's eye view of it. Mustaf Mohammed came flying out of his goal for Somalia. Missed the ball.
Yeah, I mean, he's playing for it. Gets on the outside. Once the keeper comes out, once you make a connection, he was never anywhere near the ball at all, and he makes the connection straight away, and it's a definite penalty. Once you come out, you have to win the ball. I mean, you're taking a huge gamble to throw yourself, trying to get the ball, and you were never really going to get it at all. But you do have to say as well, Abdulaziz, number 9 for Oman, is causing a problem because he's just picking the ball in between the forward and the midfield, and they're struggling to deal with him at the moment, and everything seems to come through him. But this is perfect for Oman just before half-time, looking to get a 2-goal lead.
Certainly Abdulaziz seems to be the danger man. It looks as though Salah will take the penalty for Oman. Like I say, Nick, if Salah can slot this penalty home, really makes it comfortable, heading towards the half-time whistle. Just gives him that little bit of breathing space, if he can slot it home. Salah, 12 yards out. 2-0 Oman.
Yeah, good finish, sends the keeper the wrong way. And they deserve it, I have to say that Oman. They've come in as big favourites in this game and are starting to take control of it. They've been at their own fault with just that lack of quality in certain areas, but this event has shone through, and they are leading 2-0. Looks like they're going to go into half-time with a 2-goal lead.
No doubts about the penalty decision by referee Benoit. Was the correct one. Salah steps up for Oman and makes it a very comfortable looking 2-0 now. Keeping the ball alive. It's all about the final ball, the cross to the far post. Headed home by Somalia. Game on. Fans absolutely crazy in the far stand. They'll quickly just heading the ball downwards. No chance for the goalkeeper. Here's another chance. It's a substitute, Issa Ahmad, with a fine shot. The other end, Oman pushing forward. Musin again. Sees his effort, come back off the crossbar. So close to grabbing a hat-trick tonight, Musin. The last chance. Somalia pushing forward, and it took a fine save from the skipper in goal for Oman. Plays to save the day. What fabulous encounter. Fabulous commitment shown by the Somalian players. Final score here at the Jassim bin Hamad Stadium, Oman 2, Somalia 1.